Make sure that the undersleeve is fully pulled up to the armpit and is wrinkle-free. Slide the garment onto the arm using the inner bands. Attach the bottommost band at the wrist with firm and comfortable tension. Attach the bands alternately from bottom to top so that the garment lays flat and wrinkle-free. If there are gaps or creases, simply readjust the bands. Each band should be adjusted to the compression range determined by your therapist at the initial fitting. Use the provided card to identify the applied compression level. The distance between the lines on the band is equal to the compression pressure on the scale of the card. For an effective therapy, readjust the compression throughout the day. Lastly, fold the undersleeve over the top of the garment. Roll back the bands to keep the hook fasteners lint-free.